Hi, I am Bemnu from Manipur, currently working in super specialties hospital at Bangalore. I'm in frontliner in this pandemic, in this COVID-19. I just want to say a few things about frontliner, how we are struggle and how we are working in day and night, 12 hours shift, and sometimes it's difficult, and we are holding our bladders and we are bearings. So today I just want to say is, yeah, COVID-19 is really is deadly, and what I can say is anyone can get this virus, and there is no age limits, and there is no color difference, there is no size, and there is no status. It can get with anyone. So I request you all to protect yourself and follow the guidelines which the government has um, updated, and also always we are there to serve the country.
Okay, it's our Manisha from Nepal. I'm gonna talk briefly about wearing of PPE for taking care of the patients during such time of pandemic, that is COVID-19. It is a protection for the frontline health workers in hospitals in order to reduce the risk of disease transmission. It includes wearing of gloves, surgical masks or N95 masks, disposable gown, cap and glasses, and at the end we must use hand sanitizer.
Hello everyone, my name is Manshom. I'm working as a staff nurse in Bangalore. As we all know, the whole world is panicked and scared in this present situation. Even myself, I was scared at first and thought to quit my job. But then I realized I didn't choose my profession to quit, but to work in this kind of situations. So, being a nurse, I choose to continue to work and fight this battle together. So I request everyone to stay indoors and keep yourself and everyone safe. Thank you.
I want to tell the situation of my country, Nepal. It's been already more than 1 month. Here is lockdown, and in this situation, the media people also so much active to help the people. And I'm also helping my country by staying home. Stay home, stay safe.
In this time of suffering, let us come together as one to fight against this COVID-19. Stop calling the people from Nepal or Northeast as Karuna. We don't want people to address us something what we are not. And let us spread awareness, let us spread love, let us be supportive to one another as we fight this together. Stay safe and stay healthy.
The government of India has instructed the state of India to follow a few set of guidelines to minimize the spread of this contagious virus COVID-19. One of the most challenging steps or the decision taken by the government of India is nationwide lockdown, which has been an impact to all the people of India, providing 24 hours into 7 helpline number and police all corners of India. In the midst of this economic crisis, and also being a developing country where there is millions of farmers and laborers, government has taken the responsibility on themselves and prioritizing the health and well-being of people and safety and security of the citizens.
I'm Shanti from Israel. Here the infection rate has been increased up to 15,000 and death rate has been dropped up to 210, and the recovery rate has been increased up to half of the infectious populations, that is 7,000. And yeah, I'd like to talk about the chromosomes which is present in humans, that is genes from the parents, which is very much important for immune system, to increase the immune system in our body. So male has one X chromosome and one Y chromosome, where female has two X chromosomes. So X chromosomes are more important to create the immune system in the body to fight with the organism. So male are more susceptible with the organism.
As we all are aware of what is happening around the world these days, it's a little reminder for every one of us to play their part sincerely and patiently. Though we don't know how long this will take, but let's try not to forget every day to do the simple to carry out the simple precautions like washing hands frequently and wearing mask and keeping social distance. So what we all want to say is just protect yourself so that you can protect others nearby you.
Hi, my name is Gracy. Today I would like to thank all the doctors and nurses for being so compassionate to us. Thank you, doctors and nurses.